A healthy atmosphere should remain consistent through every season. The Levoit Smart Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier helps keep your home fresh, no matter what the weather is like. With the VSync app, you can monitor humidity levels and adjust settings whenever you need. The Classic 200S can even connect to virtual assistants for easy voice controls. Program the humidifier based on your daily routines, or let Auto Mode take care of it all. The humidifier's large capacity offers up to 40 hours of continuous use. With 9 mist levels available on the VSync app, you'll have no trouble reducing dry air and relieving any seasonal symptoms. Best of all, the built-in essential oil tray lets you create a soothing environment for a perfect night's sleep. Stay healthy all year long with Levoit.
Tired of low-capacity humidifiers that leak and cause a lot of inconvenience when filling with water due to the need to turn them over? The TBI Pro Ultrasonic Humidifier with a top-filling design and a huge 6-liter water tank solves this problem by offering easy filling from above and long-term humidification of even the largest rooms. Touch buttons and clear LED display make the operation of the device fast and convenient. Control the level of humidity in the room, mist level, and status of temperature and water. The constant humidification function allows the device to provide optimally humidified air for large living rooms, bedrooms, and children's rooms. Convenient remote control makes it possible to change humidifier modes from anywhere in the room. Its 360-degree mist nozzle humidifies the air evenly and effectively. The humidifier offers a wide range of moisture variations, from 20 to 90%. A convenient 1 to 12 hours timer allows setting the humidifier for the specified time and automatically turns it off at the end of this period. Special sleep mode provides silent operation and LEDs turned off, an ideal option for light sleepers and children. Humidified air relieves coughs, softens allergic reactions, improves sleep and skin conditions, and makes it possible to completely relax in a healthy atmosphere. Let yourself breathe clean, healthy air and feel the difference with TBI Pro.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between 2 types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With Auto Mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the Humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. Levoit.